Need to find a specific transaction in your Stripe account? This section will quickly show you how to access your transaction history through the Stripe dashboard. Log in with your API keys or OAuth. Once logged in with your API keys or OAuth, you have access to the Stripe dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Payments or Transactions section in the left navigation. This is the central hub for all your transaction data within Stripe. From there, you can immediately start searching for specific transactions. As of December 2025, Stripe's dashboard supports real-time updates, reducing delays to near instantaneous. To efficiently find specific transactions in your Stripe dashboard, use the search bar at the top. You can search by transaction ID, amount, currency, description, or customer email. The advanced search supports partial matches and wildcards, and with recent AI enhancements, you can even use natural language queries like "Show me refunds over $100 from last month." For more refined results, utilize the powerful filters available in the Stripe dashboard. You can filter by date range with presets like last 7 days or custom ranges, status such as succeeded, failed, or refunded, payment method like credit card or bank transfer, event type such as charge or payout, and even custom metadata fields. These filters are combinable, meaning you can apply multiple at once and they persist across your sessions for convenience. After narrowing down your transaction list with search and filters, you can export the data as a CSV file directly from the dashboard or via API. CSV exports allow you to select specific fields such as ID, amount, date, customer, and status, while excluding sensitive data for compliance. You can customize the date range, time zone, and columns to include. For larger datasets, exports can be scheduled for recurring reports with file size limits up to 100,000 rows to ensure manageable downloads. With your CSV exported, you can easily import it into spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets for deeper analysis. In Excel, use the From Text option under the Data tab to import the CSV. In Google Sheets, you can upload the file directly. Once imported, leverage built-in tools such as filters, pivot tables, charts, and formulas to analyze trends, calculate totals, or identify patterns in your transaction data. This enables better financial reporting and decision-making.